Of course, change, evolution is ongoing process.
All men are going to become bald eventually. Like this balding is like the dominant gene.
We never know what our next species is going to be, but we might not able to see it or imagine it as of now. But painting the picture of India.
Yeah.
So with the prehistoric evolution, we have Homo sapiens, that is our species, coming on board, and then their culture sort of evolves. The stone tool technology that sort of is evolved, and then the progression happens, and then Holocene begins, and Holocene is a time when the ice starts to melt. So
Which is
that's the end
roughly
of
when?
Ice Age, 10,000 BCE. Okay. So that's when the ice starts to melt. The ice age has ended. You have rivers, lakes being formed. Fish becomes part of the diet.
Was there a lot of ice in India? Like even say in Mumbai?
Not a lot of it. But of course, the ice age, the cold weather did affect the environmental thing.
So it could have been snowing in Mumbai.
Not
that
in
time.
Mumbai, but per se, but see, about 30, 40, 1,000 years ago, if I look at it, the rivers that we see today, which basically have helped the cultures to evolve, were not existing. They started to exist only when the ice in the north starts to melt. The glacier starts to melt because the temperatures become a little warmer.
Wow.
So that has happened.
So this whole thing about Saraswati going underground and all, was there like a different...
That is much later.
So there was a whole different river system only back then.
Saraswati was, of course, a very elaborate river system. We know that now. We have satellite imagery, and we know because of the tectonic shift, the Markan Divide in the Himalayas, that the glacier that would feed the river was blocked. So that's the reason why the river became more of a seasonal river. That is, whenever there is a high rainfall, there would be water, and that is the reason why slowly, steadily, in the southern part of the Saraswati river system, that is the Ghaggar Hakra area, which is the Rajasthan, the northwest Rajasthan, towards Sindh, that part starts to disappear.